guys, today it's Jess, and today we're going to be testing out this. A Babyliss hairdryer. I got it for my birthday, so you can see how I was like, oh my god. It's quite a big again. So I'm going to be opening it and using it. So okay, this is it. That's all it has in there. So it has plenty of packaging. It includes slim centrated nozzle. You can see it. Has that. So that must sit on. I'll show you how it sits on. It has this on. You may have to undo this. And here and tie in stuff like this. My bro is on this game because he's just right outside there. This was on there, and here it says Consumer Helpline. Always keep out of reach from children during and after use and while calling. Well, I'm 12 now, so yeah. I will do the instructions. Now let's do the instructions now. That's what it says. Babyliss. Features 2200 W, 3 heat, 2 speed, settings plus cool shot, ionic conditioning, frizz-free finish, hair balancing, ceramic technology, centrated nozzle, removable rear filter, hanging loop for easy storage. Yes, it does. 1.8 cord, 3-year guarantee. It's got important safety if again it gets hot. Okay, towel dry and detangle hair. Let's do this. So my hair gets really knotty. And it says plug the hairdryer into a suitable main socket. So guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just brushed my hair and that piece of my fringe is drying really quickly today. Quite strange for my hair to do that. So it has this button here, has like a snowflake on it, and then there's 1 and 2. So now I don't know if you can see that, but I think we're going to put the center nozzle on. I don't know why today. I don't know how to. And it says you just start it in. I'm actually just gonna go get it. Got it. Plug the hairdryer into a suitable main socket. Select the required heat and speed settings. After use, switch off and unplug the hairdryer. Allow to cool before storing away. Okay. Which all about the noise. Maybe 1. don't know yet, maybe 2. So, yeah, I think I'm going to just put this on. Maybe you should have done this before, but I'm just going to stuff it in, you know. Well, not literally stuff it in. But I am going to maybe turn it. Oh, it's in. Okay, so. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so what you really should do is, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it into the middle. See when it starts drying, it dries in that spot, if you know what I mean. So I'm really bad at partings. There we go. That can just be it. Anyway. This. See how I decided it isn't that bad, as in bumpy. See what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like that kind of thing. All of that side is dry. I mean, but then again, my hair just dry like super quick. So there we go. My hair is like really dry. So yeah, that's how to dry your hair with new Babyliss curling thing. Not curling thing. Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, that's how it used to be, guys. That's how it used to be. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. So now I'm gonna be different. Don't subscribe. No, do. You know what I mean. This is my Babyliss Turbo Power 2288-2200 2200 watts, I think it is. Yeah, so that's going to be the end of my video today. Don't forget no. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that is the end. So don't forget to come back and watch all my other videos. Comment down below what you think I should do a video of next. So yeah, bye.